When you look at the cloud solution versus the NVR solution, these CVRs can live anywhere. Some are wall mount, some are desktop, some are rack mount, whatever your needs are for each building. And you're buying storage based upon days, not upon terabytes. So you can imagine a scenario, we see this a lot. Someone starts out with 100 cameras, and then next year they've got 300 cameras. Well, that means they bought the wrong storage system when they had 100 cameras, and they have to provision something new. With cloud storage, you're just paying for the number of days you want the storage done, and you have to worry about if that's terabytes or petabytes. You're not expected to scale your storage as your duration and other needs change, number of cameras or durations. The centralized management is a key part of the cloud solution. Adding people access to videos, what happens in emergency, that kind of stuff is all very well-defined and easy to manage versus, oh, that's a third-generation old recorder at that building, and here's the credentials on this piece of paper here, and I'll get those to the person who needs to get a hold of video now somehow, maybe. When everything's centralized, things are just much easier to manage. And in terms of maintaining the system, if a camera goes down, an alert goes out. If a CVR goes offline, an alert goes out. Everything's monitored centrally. And this is done with no VPNs or other sort of crazy things you need to do to keep everything on a common network fabric. You can have remote buildings off campus on Comcast or Verizon or any other type of network, and they all fold into the cloud with no stitching together of networks or anything else. The Chancellor's house, for example, he could have DSL, and he'd be part of the same solution.